Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted PlayStation 4 games on the library. So if I go over Sonic Forces right here, I want to go to delete and delete it off my PlayStation. On the bottom it says if you have a license for this application, you can download it again from the library. So let's go to OK. So if you bought this game digitally, on the home screen, if we scroll all the way to the right, we want to go to the game library. Then, on the left side of the screen, we want to scroll down past games. Games are only games that are currently installed on our PlayStation 4. We want to go to where it says Purchased. Then go to the right and you can press triangle. And you can go from A to Z to sort or Purchase Date. So let's go to Purchase Date. And then we can just scroll on down under this list until we get to the game that we just deleted. Otherwise, we can go to A to Z and scroll on down to the Sonic section. Or we can go up to search, and what we could do is search in entire library on the top here. Otherwise, you can just go to purchased. So I'm going to go to entire library and just type in Sonic. So you can press both thumbsticks in, and you can use this as like a motion controller. So let's go to Sonic right here and just type this in. This is probably the easiest way of finding it. I have over like 400 games, so let's go to this. Let's go to Team Sonic Racing, actually. That would be fun. So let's download this game to my PlayStation 4 and then get Sonic Mania on here as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.